Welcome to Senate, Data Republic's data collaboration, innovation, and exchange platform. This platform allows organizations to collaborate on data projects. Data scientists can explore, create, and train algorithms, derive insights, and synthesize new data products on the Senate platform. You should have already received an email from Data Republic with your platform login credentials. It will look like this. Use these credentials to log in initially. For privacy purposes, you must reset your password on your first login. If you haven't received your credentials, contact your administrator or customer support. Senate Project Overview. This is the home screen for the platform and what you will see when you log in. There are some tips and tools readily available with a link to the Help Center if you have a question and need to search for a quick answer. Depending on your user permissions, your user interface may appear differently to this, but it should be very similar. Projects are specific use cases that will have an overview description. Keep in mind, a project is a governed space under audit where every keystroke and user action is recorded with a timestamp. There are governance controls across several dimensions or touchpoints. Data preparation and packaging. You can upload data directly to the platform if it is less than 100 megabytes. If larger, it can be uploaded via SFTP. If you need help uploading data, please refer to the Help Center. Just remember, no personal information data is ever permitted onto the platform. After a file is loaded to Senate, you must create a package containing one or many tables or files before it can be added to the project. To do this, click Packages, Create New Data Package. Here, enter the package name, description, and expected data characteristics. Select your data, click Save Package, and then Submit. Now, you can add the data package to your project. To add a data package to a project, simply click Packages, Add a new data package, and select the packages you wish to include. Conversations. Conversations are a place where correspondence can be recorded in an audited environment between the organizations participating in the project. All users added to the project can access the default conversation. Other threads can be created. Some examples are technical requests, approvals when talking about licensing, and analysts only. Data license approval. Data licenses define the agreed permitted use of data in the project. This includes putting into place people, time, and commercial cost parameters. Plus, it gives both organizations executing the license the confidence to proceed with protection of their respective IP and data assets. Should you need to create a license, just follow the workflow modules. As an organization requesting access to data, you are the data licensee. You will need to submit the license first for review by other participants. Typically, one user at your organization or on your team will be designated as your organization's license approver and can complete this step. If you don't know who your license approver is, please contact customer support. If you have the license approver role, you need to ensure all sections have been saved and that you are satisfied with these sections. You will be able to then submit the data license for review. If the other license parties reject the license for any reason, it will be returned with comment for changes to be made. When all parties have approved the license, a workspace is ready to be set up. Sometimes you may need to add new packages to the workspace. This will require approval of a new license version. The license also covers permissions on output or egress, which will be covered in the Govern and Manage Extracts video module. Launch a workspace. A discovery workspace, DW, is a quarantined analytical environment which is created within a governed project after a data license has been approved by all project participants. These workspaces are Windows virtual machines with variable compute available in small, medium, and large. A workspace may already be requested or set up for you. If not, select Request a new discovery workspace. Name the workspace and select the size. If you aren't sure which size workspace you are permitted, in a conversation thread, ask which setup your license allows. On screen are the available software installs. Some software are installed by default, including R 3.4.4, RStudio 1.4.4, 7-Zip, and Anaconda 3, Python 3.6, which includes Jupyter Notebook and Qt Console. For a full list of installed software, refer to the guest portal. If you require GPU or other customizations, please contact support. Once the workspace has been approved, you can now load those packages which were included in the license to the workspace. The workspace will be available with installs and data packages shortly. Set up workspace and analysis. You can launch the workspace once your request has been approved. Packages in the approved data license will be available to you within the workspace. If you require any tools not listed as default on the guest portal, please contact support. All tools and packages that have been loaded can be found in the Public Documents folder in the workspace. From here, you can move all of your Python pip package files into the folder that your scripts need them to be in. Docker images are going to be stored in the Public Documents folder as either tarballs or zip files. Govern and manage extracts. When you've completed your work and are ready to egress an algorithm, report, or any output, navigate to the Workflow in the Workspaces tab. Click Request Output and follow the instructions. Step 1. Place all insights to be extracted in C:/users/public/public-documents/extract. Please note, if there are multiple files, they need to be zipped. Step 2. Place all code to be reviewed in C:/users/public/public-documents/review. Step 3. Click Request Output below. Per the license, a manual check may be required before the output is approved and the download link is created. You will be notified when your insights are ready to download via the Workspace tab. The link will be available for 24 hours and is only accessible by the user who requested the output. Close a workspace. When the output has been egressed, work is finished and the workspace is ready to be closed. This can be accomplished directly through the Workspaces tab. Thanks for watching. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to customer support or head to the guest portal. We are happy to help on your path to data collaboration.